What if I told you that you do not need 20 different ETFs, complicated stock picking strategies, or hours of market research to build serious wealth? In fact, with just 2 ETFs, you can create a portfolio that gives you growth, income, stability, and long-term compounding power. And the 2 ETFs we're talking about today are the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, better known as VOO, and the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, also known as SCHD. These 2 ETFs have become favorites among long-term investors, dividend investors, and even early retirees. So in today's video, we'll break down why VOO and SCHD complement each other perfectly, how they can help you build serious wealth over time, the differences between growth and dividend investing, and how beginners can start with these 2 ETFs today. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'll also show you a simple portfolio strategy using only these 2 ETFs that could dramatically simplify your investing journey. Hello viewers, if you're enjoying this content and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this and remember to comment and share. Let's get started. Why simple investing often wins. One of the biggest mistakes beginner investors make is overcomplicating investing. They buy too many ETFs. They chase trends. They constantly switch strategies. And they end up underperforming the market. But historically, simple investing has beaten most active investors over long periods of time. Why? Because wealth is usually built through consistency, patience, and compounding. That's exactly where VOO and SCHD shine. These ETFs give you exposure to some of the best companies in America while reducing the need to constantly manage your portfolio. You're essentially buying entire baskets of high-quality businesses. Instead of trying to guess which stock will explode next year, you own hundreds of proven companies already generating billions in profits. That's powerful. What is VOO? Let's start with VOO. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF tracks the S&P 500 index. That means when you buy VOO, you're investing in 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. Some of the top holdings include Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Meta platforms. These are world-class businesses with enormous earnings power. VOO is designed for growth. Over long periods, the S&P 500 has historically returned roughly around 10% annually before inflation. Now, of course, past performance does not guarantee future returns, but this index has survived recessions, crashes, wars, inflation, and multiple economic cycles. That's why many investors see VOO as a core, set it and forget it, investment. Here are some key strengths of VOO. 1. Instant diversification. Instead of buying individual stocks, you instantly own hundreds of companies across multiple sectors. 2. Very low fees. VOO has an extremely low expense ratio, meaning you keep more of your returns over time. And fees matter more than most people realize. Even small fees can eat away at long-term compounding. 3. Strong long-term growth. VOO focuses on America's largest growth engines. As the economy grows, VOO has historically benefited alongside it. But there's one thing VOO is not heavily focused on: income. That's where SCHD enters the picture. What is SCHD? The Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF focuses on high-quality dividend-paying companies. Unlike VOO, which prioritizes broad market exposure, SCHD focuses more on companies with strong cash flow, consistent dividend payments, healthy balance sheets, and long-term financial strength. Some common holdings often include companies like Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Texas Instruments, Cisco, Home Depot. SCHD is loved by dividend investors because it combines dividend income, dividend growth, and quality screening. This is important. A high dividend alone doesn't automatically mean a company is good. SCHD filters for companies that have strong financial fundamentals. And over time, many investors use SCHD to create passive income streams. The dividends can either be reinvested for faster compounding or eventually used as income during retirement. That's what makes SCHD such a powerful companion to VOO. Why VOO plus SCHD work so well together? This is where things get really interesting. VOO and SCHD complement each other extremely well. VOO gives you broad market growth, big technology exposure, and long-term appreciation potential. SCHD gives you dividend income, more value-oriented exposure, and potentially lower volatility during market downturns. Together, they create balance. When growth stocks are soaring, VOO may lead. When markets become volatile and investors move towards safer dividend companies, SCHD may hold up better. This combination helps investors stay invested emotionally during difficult market periods. And that matters a lot. Because the biggest enemy of wealth building is often emotional investing. People panic. They sell during crashes. They chase hype during bull markets. But a simple strategy built around quality ETFs can help reduce emotional mistakes. The power of compounding. Now let's talk about the real secret behind building serious wealth: compounding. Compounding happens when your investments generate returns, and then those returns start generating returns too. Over time, this creates a snowball effect. For example, if someone invests consistently every month into VOO and SCHD for 20 or 30 years, the results can become enormous. Not because they found the next hot stock, but because they stayed consistent. This is why time in the market is often more important than timing the market. Even modest monthly investments can grow substantially over decades, especially when dividends are reinvested. SCHD's dividends can buy more shares automatically, creating additional future dividend income. Meanwhile, VOO continues providing long-term market growth exposure. That combination can be incredibly powerful. A simple 2 ETF portfolio. So how could someone structure a portfolio using only these 2 ETFs? Here's one simple example. Option 1. Growth-focused 70% VOO 30% SCHD. This approach leans more heavily toward long-term growth while still generating some dividend income. Option 2. Balanced approach 50% VOO 50% SCHD. This creates a balance between growth and dividend income. Option 3. Income-focused 40% VOO 60% SCHD. This may appeal more to investors seeking higher dividend income and slightly less volatility. There's no perfect allocation. The best portfolio depends on your goals, age, risk tolerance, and investing timeline. But the important thing is this: you do not need dozens of ETFs to build wealth. Sometimes less is more. Common mistakes to avoid before you rush to invest. Let's quickly talk about mistakes to avoid. 1. Chasing performance. Do not constantly switch strategies because one ETF outperformed for a few months. Long-term investing requires patience. 2. Ignoring dividends. Many beginners underestimate the impact of reinvested dividends. Over decades, dividends can become a massive contributor to total returns. 3. Trying to time the market. Waiting for the perfect moment often causes investors to miss years of compounding. Consistency usually matters more. 4. Panic selling. Market corrections are normal. Every major investor experiences volatility. The key is staying focused on the long term. Who should consider this strategy? VOO and SCHD may work especially well for beginner investors, busy professionals, long-term retirement investors, dividend growth investors, and people who want a simpler portfolio. This strategy may not be exciting, but boring investing often works surprisingly well. And remember, serious wealth is usually built slowly, not overnight. At the end of the day, investing does not need to be complicated. The combination of VOO and SCHD gives investors exposure to growth, dividends, quality companies, diversification, and long-term compounding potential. That's why so many investors continue building portfolios around these two ETFs. If you're a beginner, this could be one of the simplest and smartest ways to start your investing journey. Now I want to hear from you. If you could only choose one ETF between VOO and SCHD, which one would you pick and why? Drop your answer in the comments below. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the possible loss of principal. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future investing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.